Yeah. Oh, I hadn't thought I was recording. I wasn't. Nibble, 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 call, preen, preen. Nibble, nibble, honk, honk. Hey, hey, no nibble my finger. I know it was only a request for food. It wasn't malicious. Hey, honk birds. Hey, honky. Oh, big honk, honk bird. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, honk bird. Honk, honk. Oh, no, you're just going to go. Oh, hey, excuse me. Hello. Honk, honk. Oh, you're right down there? You're right down there? Oop. What's happening, honk? Hey, what are you going to say? Anything? Yeah? Hey, it's sweet. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. In you come. Hello. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Oh yeah, chewing my glasses, I know. Yeah. Oh yeah, eat my glasses, why don't you? Honk, honk. Hello. Oh yeah, you sure? You are? Honk. Look at you all. Hey, come on. There we go. In you come. Oh. Hey, oh, you cheeky birdie. You cheeky birdie. Trying though. Hey? Oh yes, yes, I know. I know. Come on. Let's snatch all of that. Come on, honk. You too. Heads from everywhere. I know. I know. Oh, nibble, nibble, nibble. Hello. Hello, birbies today, actually. Hello, honk, honk. Yes, honky. Hello. You want some more? You want some more? You gonna ask? Yeah, stretch a birb. So much burbulation. Stimulation of the burbulation. What was that about? What was that about? That was a call and a half. That was almost better than Bugsy call. That was saying something. Oh yes, sweetness and light. Yes, yes you. Yes you. I know. Yeah, I know. Yes. Hey. Hello. Yes, honky honks. Oh, I know, nibble nibbles. There we go. Get your beaks in. Get your beaks in. Yes, Faxy Birb. Yes, Faxy Birb. I know, Squawkies. I know. It's just not fair, is it? Oh, I know. So many beaks. Oh, so many beaks. So many demands. I know. It's terrible, isn't it? Come on, honkers. Sneaky, sneaky tickle. I get a sneaky tickle down here. Honk, honk. No. Oh, hello, beautifuls. Yes. Come on, honkies. How many beaks? Come on. Hey, no eat me. No eat me. There we go. Hey? The looks. Such looks. Oh, Honky Bird's gone. That was lorikeet being picked up by the tail and carted away to go, bugger you, it's for me. Oh, yes, yes you. Oh, you did, you fell head planted. Hey, excuse me. Hello. Hello. Would you like some? Hey? Hey, who's the good birds? You are? You reckon you are? You were chewing my ear before. Giving little nibbles. Come on, stretch your head, stretch your beak, stretch your beak. Don't fall off. No, don't fall. I reckon. Would you like some over here? So many stretchy birbs. Hey, you troublemakers. Hello, is that hello bird? Was that a hello bird? Hello? Would you like some? Is that hello? Oh, it is. Oh, hello birdie. I'm wondering where you were. Hello birdie. Hello? Hello, birdie. Feathers everywhere. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Come on. Oh, that'll do. Oh, yeah. Got wraparound birbies up here, too. Come on, hello, bird. Hey, hello. 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 Oh, yeah. Oi. No, eat me. Here we go. All wraparound birbs up here. Yes. Trifecta of birbs. And here. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. Yes, come on, hello. Look at you all. Come on, hello. Come on, you coming down? There we go. Oh yeah, come on, hello. Come on, hello, bird. Head birbs. What we gonna do? What we gonna do when a head birb lands on you? Hey. Right. Hello, birdie. How are we? You a good hello bird? Oh yeah. Excuse me. Cheeky, you get a cheeky pat. You get a sneaky pat. Ruff. Come on, hello. I know, Squeakies. Come on. Hello. Oh yeah, beakyuses, stretchy beaks. Oh yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Really? Oh, right. It's like that, is it? Yeah. Is that going to help, is it? You reckon? Oh, you fell off the perch. Come on. What's going on, Hero? Clean the beak out. What's going on, Hero, baby? You got something annoying you? Bit go down the wrong way. You okay, Hero, baby? You're gonna get need some water. You're gonna need some water, Hero, bird. No, not ready for some more yet. Big cleaning. Oh yes, I'm getting a head cream. I see. Lots of beaks. Oh. There you go. Hello. Hero, you're eating again? Yep, you're alright now. There you go, Hero bird. Bugsy! Oh, wrap around, beautiful Bugsy. Oh, yeah. Beautiful Bugsy, baby. Hey, you too. Yes, you're beautiful too. Aren't you? Yes. Maxi beautiful. Maxi cute. Hey. Yes, Squeaky. Yes, Squeaky. No, eat me. You get the wobbly later. Woo, woo, woo. Come on, Bugsy. Woo, woo. Hey, Squeaks. Come on. There we go. You too. There we go. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hello. Come on, wrap around Birbs. Bugsy Birbie. We get a squeaky pet. We get another squeaky pet. Yes, squeakies. Wrap around squeakinesses. You tell them. Bugsy! Bugsy! Come on, Squeakies. Come on, Squeakies. Shall I get you some more? Shall I get you some more? Yeah, you're running out in this. Yeah, you'd like some more? You're going to go, Bugs. Oh! Who'd I lose then? Did I lose Bugsy? Who's that? Who's that? Do you big and poop? You feel better now? You do? What do you got to say? Anything? Anything to say? Really? Would you like some? You're going to ask nicely? You are. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Bugsy, there you are. You swapped sides. Oh, Squeakies. Come on. Right. Stand by, Bugsy. Okay. Arm. Hang on, Bugsy. Excuse me. Get some of the seed out. There we go. Oh, look, Bugsy. Oh, it's Hero Derby. It is Hero Derby. Oh. Hero, Hero. Hero, Hero. There you go. Hero, Hero. Hey, hey. No nibbles. You get the birbulators down there. Whoa. Oh. Hey. Hey. You get the... Oh, blew my head in. Thanks, Mike. Physio helped that one. Bugsy! Bugsy! Oh, no, it's Hero Bird. Bugsy over here. Oh dear. Who we got now? Who's who in the zoo? Who's that? Bugsy here. Hey, Bugsy. Ooh, yes, Bugsy. What are you doing, Bugs? Come on, Bugs. Come on, Bugs. Yes, you cheeky bird. Bugsy. Bugsy. Oh, listen to you. Come on, one more. There we go. Hey, you beautiful bugs. Whoop. Whoop. Head burbulation. Yep. Head burb, what we gonna do? What we gonna do when a head burb lands on you? Or give our poets a title for a poem called Head Burb. Let's see what we come up with. Hey?